When considering the boundaries of your property, the fence and gate you choose are much more than just practical barriers. They represent the first impression your home or business makes. They define your space, provide security, and, with the right choices, can elevate your property's style to new heights. Selecting the perfect fence and gate combination is about balancing aesthetics, functionality, and peace of mind. Let's explore what goes into creating the ideal blend of style and security for your property. Every great fence begins with a purpose. Are you primarily concerned with privacy, keeping pets and children safe, enhancing curb appeal, or deterring intruders? Different goals demand different solutions. For those seeking privacy, solid panels such as wooden fences or vinyl options are popular, as they block the view from outside and create a secluded sanctuary within. If style is at the forefront, ornamental iron or aluminum fences provide elegance while allowing visibility, showcasing beautiful landscaping or architectural features. Of course, for those prioritizing security, strength and height become non-negotiable factors. The materials you choose for your fence and gate play a crucial role in both the look and the performance of your boundary. Wood, with its natural charm, offers a timeless appeal that can be customized through stains and finishes. Cedar and redwood are favorites for their resistance to rot and insects, but regular maintenance is key to preserve their beauty. Vinyl fencing has surged in popularity for its low maintenance and versatility, available in a variety of colors and styles to mimic more traditional looks. For maximum durability and a modern edge, metal options like steel and aluminum provide strength without sacrificing design. Wrought iron, in particular, is prized for its classic, stately appearance, but it requires attention to prevent rust. Beyond materials, the style of fencing sets the tone for your property. Picket fences evoke a sense of welcome and whimsy, perfect for suburban homes or gardens. Horizontal slat fences lend a contemporary feel and can make a yard appear larger. For rural or expansive properties, split rail or post and rail fences offer rustic charm with an open, airy feel. Decorative elements like lattice tops, finials, or integrated lighting can further personalize your fencing, making it a true reflection of your taste. No fence is complete without the right gate, and this is where style and security truly intersect. Your gate is the entryway to your world, and its design should complement the fence while providing robust access control. Consider the scale of your property. A grand driveway deserves a stately double gate, perhaps with intricate metalwork or solid panels for privacy. For pedestrian access, a single walk-through gate, perhaps arched or adorned with decorative hardware, can be both inviting and secure. Security is paramount when choosing a gate. Modern advancements make it possible to integrate technology seamlessly into your entryway. Automated gates equipped with access controls, keypads, remote openers, or smartphone connectivity allow you to manage entry without sacrificing convenience. Video intercoms let you see and speak with visitors before granting access. For those seeking the highest level of protection, reinforced gates with anti-climb features and tamper-resistant locks offer peace of mind. The perfect fence and gate combo should also respect the architectural character of your home or business. A sleek, minimalist metal fence may suit a contemporary building, while a craftsman-style bungalow could be beautifully framed by a stained wooden fence with decorative cutouts. Cohesiveness is key. Your fence and gate should feel like a natural extension of your property, not an afterthought. Beyond aesthetics and security, consider the practicalities of your daily life. If you have pets or small children, ensure your fence is tall enough to prevent escape and that there are no gaps or footholds. For driveways, assess whether a swinging or sliding gate best suits your space and traffic patterns. Think about maintenance. While wood may require periodic staining or sealing, metal and vinyl options are largely maintenance-free. And don't forget about local regulations. Neighborhood associations and city codes may dictate fence heights, materials, or placement, so do your homework before making a final decision. Landscaping can further enhance the appeal and function of your fence and gate combination. Planting hedges or climbing vines along a fence softens hard lines and creates a lush, inviting border. Strategic lighting, such as solar-powered post caps or ground spotlights, not only highlights your fence's beauty at night, but also increases security by illuminating potential entry points. Customization is where your personality shines through. Choose a color that harmonizes with your home's exterior, or opt for contrasting hues for a dramatic statement. Add decorative inserts, custom scrollwork, or family crests to the gate for a one-of-a-kind touch. The options are limited only by your imagination and budget. Sustainability is another consideration for the environmentally conscious. Many manufacturers now offer fences and gates made from recycled materials or sustainably harvested woods. These options not only reduce your environmental footprint, but can also add unique character to your property. Ultimately, the perfect fence and gate combination is a blend of careful planning, quality materials, thoughtful design, and attention to detail. It's about creating a boundary that doesn't just protect, but also enhances and expresses the unique style of your property. Whether your priority is keeping loved ones safe, increasing privacy, or making a bold architectural statement, there is a solution that brings together form and function in perfect harmony. Investing in a well-designed fence and gate is about more than marking the edge of your land. It's about defining your space, elevating your security, and expressing your vision. Take the time to explore the many options available, consult with professionals if needed, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. With the right combination, your property will not only be safe and secure, but also the envy of the neighborhood, a testament to your commitment to both style and peace of mind.